In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect TradingView to Topstep. So the first thing you want to do is go to topstep.com, which is their official website, and then click on Earn Funding, top right over here. Now, once you're in here, you're gonna have to basically select your buying power. So you're gonna have to select your type of account, and then once you do that, click on Select. And from here, you'll be able to just begin this basically confirmation process to confirm you're human. So it's going to basically tell you to just click on a few things, do that, press confirm, there we go. And after you're here, you're going to have to get started and then create your account via this information over here. Once you do this, and once you've successfully created your account, what you want to do is you're going to go to TradeOvate, because TradeOvate can actually connect with Topstep. So on TradeOvate, open an account over here as well and connect it with Topstep. Once you've done this, go to TradingView, and inside TradingView, sign in to your account on TradingView.com, hover over Products over here, click on Super Charts, and inside here, you'll be able to see this. Let me just minimize this. There we go. And in here, you want to click on Trading Panel, the last tab down here at the bottom. Make this a bit bigger so you can see. And then here, we're going to be looking for TradOvate. Now, in case it's not over here at the top, click on All Brokers and just look for TradOvate. Okay, just look for the logo. There we go. There it is. Click on that. And then you simply want to connect either live or a demo account, and you want to sign in with your TradOvate credentials over here. And on that TradOvate, you should have already connected your Topstep. And after you do this, press connect, and you've successfully connected TradingView to Topstep via TradOvate. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.